So most of you, I'm sure, have noticed the doll behind me on my right. I mentioned earlier that it was a Yuko. This Yuko stands for friendship, so friendship doll. I mentioned it takes us back, but it also takes us forward. It was given to the Japan Society of Boston in 1994 to celebrate its 90th anniversary. Princess Masako, Crown Princess Masako at the time, was invited to join that celebration. She couldn't attend, so she sent the doll in her stead. It arrived. Of course, we treasured the doll, but the years went by, and the doll eventually became a little worn. But then suddenly, looking forward, we realized we'll be looking at the 70th year of the Boston-Kyoto relationship, the oldest in America, coming up in 2024. And then in 2024 as well, it'll be the 120th anniversary of the Japan Society of Boston, the oldest of its kind in the United States of America. And as only a Japanese can do in terms of their spirit and their heart, we got a call from a man in Kyoto with the Minami Rotary Club, who was concerned about the doll and wanted to make sure that the doll was ready for the anniversaries that were coming up. And we told him that the doll had been with us and had been experiencing some aging. He got on a plane, flew here to Boston, picked up the doll that had been cared for and nurtured, by the way, by Miss Kyoko Morita on my right here, one of our board members, who is treated as one of her family. Kyoko, please stand up and take an applause for all the work you've done with this doll. Really, part of the family over there. And so you're going to see him on video in just a second. But let me read for you the press announcement that was done by the imperial household. So the press release was done in 1994 by the Togu Imperial Palace of Japan. The Crown Princess honors the Japan Society of Boston with a gift of a traditional Japanese doll. In response to an invitation from the Japan Society of Boston to attend its 90th anniversary, the Crown Princess responded with the gift of a traditional Japanese doll to the Society. The Crown Princess has a close affinity with the city of Boston. From time to time, she studied at Belmont High School and Harvard University from 1979 to 1985. The gift is to be delivered to the Japan Society of Boston by the Japanese Foreign Ministry in October. So the doll, as you're going to hear, has been restored, and it was taken back to Japan and restored by the Imperial Household Doll-Making Agency, if you will. And it was brought back, and I'd also like to thank, as Mr. Yamazaki, where are you? From Japan Airlines. Could you just stand for a second? In addition to being one of our Chairman Circle sponsors this year and donating 4 business class tickets and a number of economy class tickets to our auction, he's been a good friend, together with Japan Airlines, of the Society, to the extent that Miss Yuko here on the side flew back to Boston business class with her own seat on Japan Airlines. So we're going to play this video of Mr. Tetsuji Kinoshita, who is responsible for coming to get the doll, bringing the doll back to Japan, having it restored, and having it brought back here to Boston to us. Video, please.
This is Yuko-san, a traditional Ichimatsu-style doll, modeled after the Tomoko-san doll presented to the Japan Society of Washington in 1989. She stands 53 centimeters tall, and her name represents friendship and childhood. She is a treasured gift from Empress Masako to the Japan Society of Boston, and remains a strong symbol of our mission to bridge Boston and Japan. After many years of living in Boston, Yuko-san returned to Japan in 2019 for restoration by the Kyoto Dollmakers Guild. Now being completed, the doll was recently brought back to Boston by Mr. Tetsuji Kinoshita.
木下さん、今回は優子さんのお人形をまた京都からボストンに連れて帰ってきてくださってありがとうございました。
やっとね、里帰りっていうかできて、優子さんもきっと喜んでおられると思います。
京都にいらした時はどのような、生活といいますか、どのような生活ですね。お人形さんでも生活いいですよね。はい、どのような生活をされていたんでしょう。
我が家の、座敷床の間にきちっと置いて、休んでいただいておりましたよ。
で、はい、今回はあれですか、髪の毛を少しきれいにしていただいたように思いますし、お着物も少し
髪の毛をきれいにして、お着物も もう一回きちっと綺麗にさせていただきました。
優子さんにしてみたら、もちろん今回が里帰りですけど、ある意味京都に帰ったことも、日本に帰ったことも里帰りになりますよね。
でもボストンの方が居心地がいいっておっしゃってました。
いや、今回は本当にありがとうございました。そうですね。京都にいらした時に、優子さんは何か特別な式典に参加させていただいたと聞きました。
ちょうど2019年の秋に、今の天皇が即位をされて、当時雅子さまとご一緒に京都御所にいらっしゃった時に、京都市の方が優子さんも一緒に京都市の方へ、展示をされて、雅子さまが、ご覧になられて非常に懐かしんでおられたというふうに聞いています。
そうですか。
きっと多分優子さんも喜んでおられたことでしょう。
そうですね。雅子さまからね、もともとはいただいた優子さんでいらっしゃいますものね。ありがとうございました。